Hello all, welcome back. Thanks for your comments, subs and likes. The volume was a bit low last week in the beginning of the video, so I'll have to remember to try and sort out the volume. I normally do, but I must have forgot that little bit. But anyway, I'm going to see if I've got enough of them broken slabs for two of these water butts that I showed you. And I'll give you a look around on how the pinks cuttings are doing and the strawberry runners and stuff inside here. So I'll show you that first, then we go outside and see what we can do out there. Right, these are my pinks, or if you want to call them carnations. They're white ones, but as you can see, they did start to grow, but obviously they've slowed down a little bit in this weather, so they're still all right. These are these strawberry runners. These are first four in the front here are from my neighbour. As you can see, they are dying back a little bit, and these three at the back are my runners. So what I'm probably going to do, I'm just going to take off all of these dying or dead leaves from them, and these are my runners from last year. Well, no, they're not actually. I think one of these are from last year and one is from the year before, something like that. But as you can see, they're doing quite well. They got a little bit of a die back, but that's to be expected this time of year. So I will probably just pick off. Oh, there's two cats fighting. That reminds me, actually, I'll just take these two just take these leaves off like that. Sorry, yeah, it's a little bit neater then, isn't it? So I'll get and do that, and then I'll come back and show you what they're like afterwards. They look a bit better, won't they, anyway? Right, that's this one nearly done actually. So there you go, quick and easy job really. But right, I'll get on and do that one. And then one's over there as well. These are my pine berries. I didn't cover them obviously. So yeah, it is what it is. There's a little bit of dye back on there, but really I could do with taking all these flowers off, because the plant's putting all its energy into them flowers and stuff and not into the roots. So I'll get all of these little flowers snipped off as well. There's not that many on that one, but I'll get all of these flowers snipped off. But as you can see, the centre has gone black now, so that wouldn't grow as strawberry if I left it anyway. So I'll take all of them flowers off of there, take all of the dead leaves off as well. So I'll get on and do all these strawberries, then I'll come back to you and show you. That looks a bit better now. As you can see, I've taken all the dead leaves off, so that's quite good. Even I've taken these pine berry flowers off as well, and I've cleaned up these strawberry runners from this year as well, so that's good. Right, this is what I was talking about. I'll take this out actually. These are what I was talking about. I don't know if I'm going to have enough broken slabs and stuff. I should have, to just like do a crazy paving bit there. So yeah, I'll get you set up and then we'll see how far we get away with that. I'm only really setting it out just to see if I've got enough slabs and stuff for when I actually lay them down.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
More than enough for that, so that's good. I'll take them back in. Obviously I only put them on there to see if it was wide enough, but this is my comfrey, so I'll take all the dead leaves off of that, put that in there, then I'll take you up. I'm going to dump it in there, but I'll show you what the cardboard is like in there, because I've left that off so that the rain can get to it. So I'll take them off and get all this dead off, put that in there, then I'll take you up to the compost bin. I've taken all the dead leaves off of that comfrey. As you can see, it's starting to shoot already. So I don't know if anybody else has got their comfrey shooting already, but if you have, let me know down in the old down in the comments. Right, let's take this up here and I'll show you the cardboard in here. As I said, I've left it off of there. It's a little bit damp, but what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a watering can full of water, and I'm just gonna give that a good old water. Then I'm gonna put that back on, I think. So I'll get some water. I just water that. Right, I've just put a watering can full onto there, so I will just put this back and I will leave it now until next year when I start cutting grass and stuff. That should be fun. Right, I want to clear up some of these bits of wood and stuff. I want to stack that away somewhere because I've obviously got enough there now as well. So I'll put them back in the poly, get them put somewhere in a rubble sack or something. Right, I'll put them water butts and stand back in there, poly tunnel. But you can see that I've cleared up all the rubble that I'm not going to use. I've cleared up all the old rotten bits of wood as well, so I need to get my burning bin cut really, because I've got a lot to burn, but I'll do that in the new year, I think. But this is where I've put the old bits of slabs that I'm not using, so really I need to go round and pick up all the old bits of rubble and all the old broken bricks and everything and get them put in that bag there. But yeah, we'll get there in the end. Right, if I can get to 500 subscribers by spring next year, I will grow my beard until after Christmas. But I need to hit 500 first, so if you haven't subscribed yet, bell's down in that corner. Click on the bell, click on all, and you'll get my notifications. And I found an old picture with me with a beard, so I will put that up on the end. So if you want me to grow a beard like that for next Christmas, subscribe and get me to 500. Right, catch you later. Bye.